What's going on, clan? It's your boy Chef A the One, Chef A Popular Don, and we back at it, man. Welcome to Monday Mondays, man, where we finna get busy in the kitchen, man. You know what I mean? Stock market our kitchen. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let's get busy. Alright. Let's check out. Let's see what's going on around the market, you guys. Let's see. Okay, boom. Blood everywhere. As you see, look at technology, they down. Semiconductors, financials down. Drug. uh, Medicare ain't doing too bad. Healthcare, I'm sorry, ain't doing too bad. You got consumer cyclicals down, consumer defense down, energy down. Basically, a whole bunch of industries down there down. So, the market taking a little hit right now. And it is earnings season, of course, so beware of that as well. See, let's check out SPY. So, SPY looked like it rejected. It came in for this gap. It came over here to fill in this gap. And then, like, it could shoot up. Maybe it can come right here and drop back down even lower, give us a little retest, or it could break this support, can resistance, and then maybe it could shoot back up. Who knows? I don't know right now. The only time will tell us. So maybe it could do either or. The market can either dip from up here and come down because it does have another gap to fill. Have about two of them to fill down here. So maybe it can come down some more, filling that gap like it just did right here. So who knows? Or maybe it could just keep shooting up. We're gonna see. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's driving the market today. Neutral. Okay, not bad. I mean, it's neutral. We want to see them get fearful, y'all. I ain't not gonna lie. You a clan member. You part of the clan. You know what we doing. We waiting on it to get red. We want to see them very fearful. We want to see fearful. Cause guess what? We're gonna start eating on their ass. You feel me? We're gonna start getting that money. You know what I mean? So I personally want to see the market keep dropping or whatnot. So that's what I'm waiting on, really. So hopefully the markets keep dropping for us, so we can take advantage of an opportunity and just make our way up. You know how that go. Now, what you all been waiting for? Let's get into this watch list. What I want to get busy with and make these rubber bands off this week. You hear me? Let's go and get busy, man. So one I'm watching FTNT Fortinet. If I'm saying that right, Fortinet, Fortnite. Who knows? FTNT though. That motherfucker Fortinet. It better be Fortinet. It's spelled like it. But yeah, Fortinet. As you can see, I like it. It's in a huge demand zone. Usually, when it reaches this level, it bounces up. You know, mine just dropped down because that was on earnings season. My bad, that was earnings. So that's the reason why I dropped down right there. And they have earnings on the 6th. So see what happened last time over here. And this demand zone, it dropped down during earnings. But this time, it's set back in the demand zone and it's reporting earnings again. You know, history. History rhymes. So we gotta see. Taking it slow. I want to go light right now because it's earnings season, just because of earnings season. Because look, every time it's in its zone, y'all, it bounces. Give us a bounce. See that? Give us another bounce. Right here, drop down earnings season, but guess what? It came back in. Give us a bounce. Now look where it's at. It's in the demand zone. Hopefully, it give us a bounce. Even though it's earning season, we're gonna see. But as you can see, reason why I chose this as well, besides the demand zone, is it's making a bullish divergence pattern. If you guys don't know, bullish divergence. The price is making a low. The stock is making a lower low, and the indicators are making a higher high. You see that? Look at the RSI. Look at that. It's still going up. Look at the stock. It's making a lower low. Now look at the MACD. MACD making a higher high. Stock making a lower low. So that's one of my favorite setups for this week, you guys. And let's check out the sector for it. You gotta be organized. So let's see. What they IT for QQQ. I believe they tech. Yeah, they tech. If not, let's make sure so I'm not wrong. So I don't give you guys the wrong information. Yeah, they tech. They technology service. You see that? Information technology services industry sector. Technology services. All I did was click this. Security info. That's all I did. So let's go. Let's go. That mean they under the QQQ. Okay. So QQQ is holding up on my 100. You see, it rejected nicely out that 100 EMA. So let's see. Maybe it can come up here filling this gap, both of these gaps, and go up some more. Who knows? Let me see. And hopefully Fortinet can follow behind it. I want to see Fortinet continue to follow behind it. Look at this trend, and a nice uptrend. I'm on the weekly chart, you guys. See this when I did that. That's probably on a daily. So let's do this. It's a nice uptrend. You see that? But yeah, since it bounced, since it bounced off the 100 EMA on a daily chart, hopefully it's respecting that 100 EMA. Cause look, in history, it's kind of strong. It kind of holds up on 100. You see, it kind of bounces off. All I'm doing is rewinding back time, you guys. It kind of bounces off the 100 EMA and goes up. So hopefully you see that. It follows that real quick. It can shoot up and Fortinet can follow it. So that's what I'm looking at. All right, let's go back. Another one I'm watching. Even though we made money off PDD again, I'm watching it again. I like the way it came back down. And it's giving me another bullish divergent player, you guys. As you see, the stocks make a lower low. And the price in the indicator makes a higher high. You see that? It's going higher. You see how the indicator, you see that? It's going up while the price is going down. So you see, it's not doing it on the I hate when that shit do that. I hate when that shit do that. I'm gonna do it when y'all got. I'm gonna fix it after I leave y'all. But yeah, as you can see, price make a lower low, indicator makes a higher high. That's what we looking at. I hate when that shit do that. Fuck. My bad, you guys. But yeah, let's check out they sector. Let's see what's going on with them. Let's see PDD. What sector do they fall under? Shit right here. Security info. Retail trade. They retail. Retail will be this. No, it wasn't. This would be retail. So this is the retail ETF, you guys. You know how SPY is the 500 companies, the biggest 500 companies in the world, ETF. So basically every stock falls under a sector, you guys. So always be aware of that. So every stock will fall under a sector. You know, you have all bunch of sectors. You got the weed sector, you got the healthcare sector, you got consumer defense sector, you got all type of sectors. You know what I mean? So you can kind of use that to dictate how you want to move, or you know, that could help you. Like, okay, my stock could follow this. You know what I mean? The price of this ETF is falling under, especially if it's a significant company inside the ETF. So it could follow it majorly. You know what I mean? So yeah. So boom. Okay, retail ETF. Not bad. Motherfuckers. Look at this shit, y'all. Y'all see that shit at the bottom? The fuck? I gotta try that bit down. God damn. Y'all just fucking up my goddamn screen. Fuck it. Look at this shit. This shit so goddamn ugly. But yeah, look at the retail ETF. It could come back up to the highs up here. You know what I mean? Look at this. That's what I like to do. So maybe it'll come back up and drop again. Who knows? That's what we want PDD to do. We wanted to rise a little bit more because as you see, PDD, look what it did. Look what it goddamn did. Look, you guys, you know, you gotta always remember too, stocks love to fill in gaps too. No matter, it may take a month, it may be the next day, it may be the next year, it may be goddamn the next week, but stocks is going to fill in the gap that it previously took off from. So always remember that a gap fill is always essential with these stocks, man. No matter what, always remember that motherfucking gaps are going to get filled. But yeah, you see that it came back down. I called it maybe 2 weeks ago, week ago. You go look at previous videos. I called it maybe 2 weeks ago, and we caught this motherfucker. We caught it from right here. We caught it right here. I got that. I probably got it like right here at that green line. I'm mad as fuck because I ain't ride that bitch out all the way up here. I was like, damn, that bitch took off. I said, damn. I should have left some runners though, but that's on me though. But fuck it, we still banked on it. So yeah, look at the gap. Gap fill, bullish divergence. I'm gonna take that off for you guys. So fuck it. I'm gonna get to my last one. My last one is Papa John's. I like Papa John's again. It's still making bullish divergence, but look. It's still doing that, and it's making a slight bullish engulfing. I wanted it. I seen it earlier. It looked like that shit took over the whole body. No, that shit not. But I still like Papa John's anyway. I like the way it respected that. Respected this low down here. I like the way it's still like rejecting this trend line that I made. It's still rejecting off the trend line, the bullish divergence. I like the way that is respecting that low. It's like an all-time low right here, I believe so. So I want to see Papa John's again go up. I know you motherfuckers been eating pizza too. You ain't fooling me. Papa John's been going crazy. I know I been eating Domino's like hell. So I know the hell y'all eating like Papa John. Goddamn. So yeah, let's get this dough. Let's get this dough. Yeah, slight bullish and golf. I want to ride that bitch up again. We called it maybe last week. We called it when we called PDD last week, 2 weeks ago. We caught that motherfucker like right here. You see where that green line at? I think I entered right here. I got out maybe right here-ish. So yeah, we gonna get this dough on this goddamn pizza. You hear me? We been calling that shit. We eating off of it. Yeah, let's check it out. Papa John's is a small cap stock. Remember that Papa John's is a small cap stock. So the Russell 2000 is an ETL. Russell 2000 is 2,000 of the small cap companies. I believe 2,000 small cap companies. So yeah, that's what the Russell 2000 is. Keeps up with 2,000, the world's smallest like companies that's listed with the small caps. So yeah, and the Russell 2000 on the tear right now. Ever since the feds or whatnot, everybody talking about interest rates and cutting and shit like that. It's time. That's the small companies time to bloom because they can't blossom when interest rates is high because there's more operating expenses. So interest rates low. That's a good time for them to grow. That's the best time for them to grow and get the best bang for their buck since they already small and they ain't gotta spend so much on expenses or whatnot. So you gotta always be aware, be always hit the news, always be like aware what's going on. You know what I mean? You gotta slit have some economic game. Slit know about what's going on with politics. You know what I mean? Slit know what's going on around the world with this. You know what I mean? You gotta understand that. So yeah, that's the fun part about it. Like the shit teach you about the world, teach you about the game, teach you about business. You know what I mean? So you can be hip on what's going on, and you really can't nobody play with you because you know what's going on. You know what's going on around the world. Shit, you getting your money, fuck it. You know what's going on too. That shit keep you up the game. Shit keep you hip. You know what I mean? So let's check out. Last but not least, let's see what's going on this week. What's going on this week? So we got no news today, Monday. We got consumer confidence tomorrow, job openings. We got ADP employment. Oh, Wednesday gonna be huge, y'all. We got the interest rate decision and Chair Powell speaks. When he speaks, boy, the market be spooked. Boy, they be shaking out they goddamn boots, striking like a stripper out there, hoe. Yeah. So yeah, you got interest rates. Fed. You got manufacturing news coming out Thursday. Jobless claims, productivity. So basically, what's going on around the industry, industrial industry, really. So if you're big in it, see, that's what I'm saying. You guys know your news, you keep up with it, and you got down break down a sector that you like. Just get familiar with like a couple sectors and like understand the news around it and like what's coming out of with it. Like you could really like be a truth at the game. Like just master what you good at. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta be all over the place. And then you got employment coming out. So you got some slight news coming out Thursday, Friday, but Wednesday that's gonna be major. Market gonna be probably chilling, volatile, a lot of consolidation till that boy Chair Powell speaks. So yeah, that's what's going on around the market. That's what's going on this week, you guys. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. If you fuck with me, you know what I mean? If you don't fuck with me, fuck you say nah. But yeah, please like and subscribe to the video, whatnot. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Join the clan. Let's get these rubber bands. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, join the clan. Let's get these rubber bands. Yep.